Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see your friend's location on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So for this to happen, your friend also has to turn their location on Snapchat. If their locations on their Snapchat are turned off, you won't be able to see their location. So they have to turn their location on. So by following the steps which I show you, you will only be able to see the people's location who have turned their location on Snapchat. So let me show you that. After you open Snapchat, you can see this little pin icon at the bottom left, also known as the map icon in Snapchat. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, at the bottom right, you can see this option called Friends. Click on Friends and all your friends' location is going to be shown on your Snapchat like this. So if I click on Friends, these are all the people whose location are being displayed on my Snapchat. So I can click on any one of their name and it's going to show me where their location are. So as you guys can see over here, these are the people whose location that is turned on Snapchat. So yeah, that's how you guys can see your friend's location on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide on how to see your friend's location. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.